Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So let's enter. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the digital well-being tools, and here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that I've been using it for 11 minutes. What's more, we've got particular apps on which we've spent the time. Here we've got the unlocks count and the notifications count. And if you'd like to, actually you've got two different ways to check some further details. So the first way is to tap directly, actually right in the middle of the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the whole screen time in particular days. So as you can see, we've got the weekly dashboard. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And here right under it, we've got all apps listed, so of course all apps which we've been using. And the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. In my case right now I've got only two, but obviously if you are using your device normally, you will have like millions of apps listed here, like I don't know, like 7 or 8. So basically just tap on it, tap in my case settings, and as you can see again we've got the dashboard, but right now it is connected only with this particular app. So we can change the screen time again to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. And basically this is how to check the screen time, but I just want to show you the ways to disconnect. Just a quick disclaimer about that, because I really think that they may be quite useful. We've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and the focus mode. So let me show you the focus mode, for example. If you need the time for yourself, if you need to focus, if you'd like to rest from the social media and so on, you can set particular schedule. So here you can pick distracting apps. So let's pretend that the most distracting apps for me are the Chrome and the YouTube, for example. As you can see, they are marked right now. You can set a schedule, so you can pick particular days in which those apps will be muted, and of course days and the hours. And after tapping on turn on now, your device will be allowed to simply limit the notifications from those apps, so it will hide them until the mode will be turned off. So I really highly recommend to use one of those modes, so the focus mode, bedtime mode, or the dashboard, because thanks to this you can really rest from the notifications. Here we've got also the reduce interruptions option, so the manage notifications and the not disturb mode. And if you'd like to enter the parental controls, because a quick disclaimer, if you will open this section, so the digital well-being and parental controls, for the very first time, you will be able to pick between the parental controls and the well-being. So if you will enter the well-being, you can always enter parental controls here. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.